Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ali Akbar. My student number is 0601-1382-025058. In this video, I would like to tell a famous person whose name is Bill Gates. Bill Gates was born on 28 October 1955 in Seattle, Washington. As the principal founder of Microsoft, Bill Gates is one of most influential and rich people. In recent years, he has retired from working full-time at Microsoft and has instead concentrated on working with his charitable foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. His father, William Gates, was a senior lawyer, and his mother, Mary, served as an executive for a major bank. The family were wealthy, but remembering the challenge of the Great Depression, they encouraged their children to work hard and take nothing for granted. Aged 13, Gates attended the prepared Lakeside School. It was here that Gates had his first introduction to computers. He taught himself to program in BASIC, making a simple tic-tac-toe game. Gates enjoyed the process of working with computers and entrance with a computer center corporation to spend time on their computers, learning source code such as Fortran, machine code, and Lisp. In 1973, Gates enrolled at Harvard, where he studied mathematics and computer science. However, Gates was more interested in pursuing his own coding, and when he saw an opportunity to found his own company, he dropped out of Harvard without finishing his course. Bill Gates founded Microsoft in 1976 when he formed contracts with Micro-Instrumentation and Telemetry System to develop a basic operating system for their new microcomputers. In the early days, Bill Gates will review every line of code. He was also involved in several aspects of Microsoft business, such as packing and sending of orders. The big break for Microsoft came in 1980 when IBM approached them for a brand new basic operation system for its new computers. In the early 1980s, IBM was by far the leading PC manufacturer. However, increasingly, they developed many IBM PC clones produced by other companies compatible with IBM. Microsoft worked hard to sell its operating system to test other companies. Microsoft was able to gain the domination position of software manufacturer just as the personal computers market started to boom. Since it is early dominance, other companies have struggled to displace Microsoft as the dominant provider of computer operating software. Programs like Microsoft Word and Excel have become the industry standard. In 1990, Microsoft released its first version of Windows. This was breakthrough in operating software as it replaced text interface with graphical interface. It soon became a bestseller and was able to capture the majority of the operating system market share. In 1995, Windows 95 was released, setting new standards and features for operating systems. This version of Windows has been the backbone of the future release from Windows 2000 to less XP and Vista. Throughout his time in office, Bill Gates has been keen to diversify the business of Microsoft. For example, Microsoft Internet Explorer became the dominant web browser, although it was primarily because it can pre-installed on most new computers. In recent years, Internet Explorer has seen its market share slip. One area where Microsoft has been never successful is in the area of search engines. MSN Live Search has struggled to gain more than 5% of market share. In this respect, Microsoft has been dwarfed by Google. Nevertheless, the success of Microsoft is concerning various aspects of the software market has led to several antitrust cases. In 1998 US v. Microsoft came close to being broken up into three smaller firms. However, on appeal, Microsoft was able to survive as a single firm. Although Microsoft was the dominant computer firm of the 1980s and 1990s, they are now seen as a aging and declining company compared to the more dynamic Google and Apple. Bill Gates is married to Melinda French. Married in 1992, they have three children, Jennifer, Rory, and Bob. With his wife, Bill Gates formed the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Bill Gates says much of the inspiration came from the example of David Rockefeller. Like Rockefeller, Gates has sought to focus on global issues ignored by government. He also expressed an interest in improving the standard of public school education in the U.S. He has appeared with Oprah Winfrey to promote this object. In respect to charitable philanthropic activities, Gates has also received encouragement from investor Warren Buffett, who has given away $17 billion. Through the Gates Foundation, Gates has also sought to prioritize issues that improve the health of the population rather than vanity projects. Speaking at a TED conference in 2009, he said about malaria. From 2008, Gates has worked full-time on his philanthropic interests. It is intimate Gates and his wife, Melinda, have given away $28 billion via the charitable foundation, including $8 billion to improve global health. Gates has said that he has no use for money and will only leave a small percentage of his wealth to his children. In an interview with the Daily Telegraph, Gates said his main areas of the interest in philanthropy have been improving health and, in particular, helping to reduce diseases such as polio, which affect young children. He has also given more focus on environmental issues. In 2015, he gave $1 billion to a clean energy project, as he sees supporting new engineering technologies as a way to help deal with global warming. Asked about the motivation of his giving, Bill Gates has often warned about the potential dangers of a global pandemic. In 2015, Gates have gave a warning that the world is not ready for the next pandemic, which could lead to the deaths of millions of people. When COVID-19 became a threat to global health, Gates devoted time to and money to coordinating efforts to provide a global vaccine. He spent millions of funds in getting ready to mass produce one of the many potential vaccinations. He criticized the response of the US administration under Trump for being behind the curve and allowing the virus to spread. In particular, he criticized Trump's decision to stop funding for World Health Organization in the middle of the pandemic. I think that's all. Thank you.